कालूराम बाकी अपील अपील का आइडिया नहीं वही कालूराम
Item number 22.
open air camp. Yes, ma'am. Prohibited section में है मालूम 70. Yes, मालूम. Yes, मालूम box. Crash him. Crash him. No, no, minor. Fresh file.
Item number 24 and 25.
So इसमें एक की डेथ हो गई, रेस्पोंडेंट की डेथ हुई है, उसकी एलआरस की एप्लीकेशंस 1 वीक में पेश कर दूंगा। नहीं, आप लगा नहीं सर, आज ही। हाँ, अब पेश करूंगा सर 1 वीक में। उम्मीद सिंह हमले
These are the matter. Your Lordship, these are the matters where the qualification of Adib is under consideration as to whether same is equivalent to the वो फुल बेंच नहीं था, वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट गया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिमांड किया इन केसेस को, उसके बाद डिवीजन बेंच नहीं, लार्जर बेंच तो पहले हो गई थी। लार्जर बेंच के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट गया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट से रिमांड होके आया, रिमांड होके आने के बाद फिर से सुप्रीम कोर्ट गया, वो रिमांड होके आया। That larger bench was constituted in 2008 or 9. As of now, matters are referred to the single bench to decide fresh on this aspect of qualification.
Notice.
Number 28. 29. Item number 29.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Private respondent. Yes, ma'am. Sir, all in 29. 20. एक मिनट। Yes, Water Resources Department is the.
Item number 30.
My lords. Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords. My lords, kindly see Annexure 1, page 14, my lords, there is impugned order, whereby the interim order passed in the favor of the present appellant for grant of minimum of the pay scale was disposed of. Reason being only due to the non-supply of copy to the petitioner, my lords. And Annexure 2, page 15 is the. Yes, my lords. Wide order dated 26/2/24, counsel for the petitioners was directed to serve copy of the petitions to learned double AG Mr. Praveen Khandelwal during the course of the day. However, the copy was not served, and on 1/5/25, the court ordered for supply of the copy positively by the next date, that is 23/5/25. Counsel Ms. Yashvi Khandelwal, appearing on behalf of Mr. Praveen Khandelwal, learned double AG submits that copy of the writ petitions have not been supplied till date. In view of the above, it is clear that orders of the court have not been complied with. Therefore, interim order dated 4/9/23 is hereby vacated. Stay petitions stand disposed of. My lords, Annexure 2 is the interim order, page 15, wherein there were two petitions, connected petitions, and the Honorable Court pleased to pass the interim order to grant minimum of the pay scale. Wide Annexure 3, page 17, my lords. The respondents passed an official order dated 9/5/24, my lords, wherein they allowed to grant the benefit to Ms. Gauri Hangat, but the current appellant was denied the benefit. Wide para 3, reason being she was not having the minimum educational qualification, my lords. Although the order was to grant the benefit, but the respondents examined the veracity on their own and rejected the benefit to the current appellant on the ground that she is not having the educational qualification of 5th pass, my lords. If my lords may allow me, I'll read the third paragraph. It says, my lords, उक्ता अनुसार श्रीमती धर्मी देवी चतुर्श्रेणी कर्मचारी रसोइया चौकीदार के पद के लिए निर्धारित न्यूनतम शैक्षणिक योग्यता पूर्ण नहीं करने से चतुर्थ श्रेणी कर्मचारी पद की वेतन श्रृंखला का न्यूनतम प्राप्त करने की पात्र नहीं है। एवं श्रीमती गौरी हंगत चतुर्श्रेणी कर्मचारी के पद की न्यूनतम शैक्षणिक योग्यता पूर्ण करने से पद की वेतन श्रृंखला न्यूनतम प्राप्त करने की पात्र है, my lords. This is a direct overreach of the judicial order, my lords, because order was directly passed to grant the minimum of the pay scale. But instead, the respondents said that she is not eligible. And my lords, despite the passing of the impugned order, wherein the interim was cancelled, the other petitioner, my lords, Srimati Gauri Hangat, is still getting the benefit of minimum of the pay scale because both the appellants are working at the same place. No, my lords. Currently, the impugned order is under challenge, my lords. Yes, my lords. No, my lords. The respondents had placed, my lords, and
with regard with reference to the other Srimati Dharmi Devi.
yes, my lords. She is the current appellant before this honorable court, my lords, and my only country. Yes, my lords. Two connected petitions. One is still getting the benefit despite the cancellation of the interim order.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lords. My humble submission is that while on the date of passing of the impugned order, the very next day we had supplied the copy. Although we tender our humble apologies that earlier, due to some bona fide error, we could not supply the copy. But my lords, my contention is that the present appellant is working as a class 4th employee for the last 18 years, my lords. And the writ petition is as regards to minimum of the pay scale as well as regularization, my lords. And various similarly situated employees recently have been granted the benefit of regularization also by this honorable court.
What did you say?
Let's really have to verify from the department that they are saying that Ms. Srimati Gauri Hangat has been granted the benefit of minimum of the pay scale. नहीं वो तो दे दिया सर, उसके बाद में उनका भी इंटरिम ऑर्डर वाज वेकेटेड. अब ये कह रहे हैं कि सब she has been.
What we are asking you, whether a person should be suffered because of the lapse on the part of a lawyer.
नहीं वो इसीलिए that is why sir ये are saying.
That is what we are asking. We intend to dispose of this appeal.
Sir.
Direct is in order to proceed. It has been far long back. Because, in fact, the applications could already allow. There was no occasion for the syndicate to again set aside. It
Short-
was not listed on state. The applications should already be disposed of.
Got it, man. I think short time के एक बार verify कर लें sir. The fact with regard to.
It's not allowed to do their what we are. That if they have not done it, if by your advice they will do it.
No.
Okay. This is a free challenging the order which is made.
Gauri Hangat को मिल रहा है.
Thereby, let's vacate the order. Order is to be. And this goes to the state. We notice that the order we are planning to be 20 parts. Hearing now, where the copy of the petition was not. It only to be also available for the double meeting. Not eventually copy of the petition. Supply your function. May not be acknowledged. Okay, that's good. Just for the mostly and if you acknowledge it from the phone. We also notice that the order passed on to 8/22. Whereby we are clear to issues. The separate when you were allowed. Immediately, this is the result clearly. We already in the letter said, the fifty order has passed links to execution. Actively about to contain, what is that 42? Let's say. That is all, Robert for the thinking to see that we are doing rather than being illiterate are being paid. We are paying to illiterate people.
Yes, my lords.
How are you going to examine their education? A book is required to the speed.
Apply to.
Article number 31, we have notice note 5.
Malads, I'm appearing for respondent number 3 and 4 the matter.
Yes.
Malads, I'm appearing for respondent number 3 and 4 in the matter, which is the National Cooperative Consumers Federation. Malads, I have one submission to make that the procurement for the season has already been over on the 24th of June. Therefore, the petition stands infructuous, subject to your lordship's decision. The writ petition is still pending before the learned single judge. They've challenged the interim order.
You have filed reply before the single judge?
Malads, we are to file in this week, Malads. We'll be filing it this week. Malads, we'll be filing it this week. We've received instructions. We'll be filing it this week.
देखिए, no one appears.
Lordship, learned ASG is appearing
Vikas Bindrani,
from Mr. Jain.
no one appears for the
31.
appellant. The counsel appearing for the respondent. 3 and 4 submits that the procurement season is over and no further procurement can be
18 अगस्त को लगा रही है 152
and the writ petition has been virtually rendered as infructuous. The prayer in the present petition, the present appeal, is against the order dated 6/5/26. Whereby the learned signature interim order was whereby the order passed by the learned single judge was challenged. The challenge is on the ground that the communication dated 10/4/26, whereby the procurement of chickpea had been stopped. Was sought to be stayed. We find that the challenge to the communication dated 10/4/26 is pending before the learned single judge. And the prayer made in the writ petition is to set aside the improved communication dated 10/4/26. If the learned single judge would have stayed the operation of 10 April 26, virtually it would have amounted to allowing the petition by way of interim order. The interim order, on the other hand, protects the rights of the petitioner, appellant, to the extent of directing the respondents to accept the procurement up to 10/4/26. No interference therefore is warranted in the interim order. The appeal is dismissed.
Faithful.
32, 33, 34, and 35.
Yes, but it's not right.
This
1 week time failing which
Sir, these cases, I'm appearing for the Union of India as respondent hearing, sir.
1 week time granted to file PF notices, failing which the petition shall stand dismissed without further reference.
Sir, the cases, sir, perhaps are covered by a judgment of a coordinate bench of this honorable court delivered on 21st
You are appearing for all.
Sir, I'm appearing for Union of India and National Council for Homeopathy is the appellant. We were co-respondent in the writ petitions. And Mr.
But-
Akhilesh Rajpurohit is appearing for the
ये सब तो
private
respond-
respondents. In our presence, in the case of sir,
Mr. Vyas,
yes, sir.
so far as these persons are concerned against whom this appeal has been filed, this Gursharan Kaur, Pallavi Verma, they have not filed notices, they have not filed PF notices. How can we hear them?
I have served the copies to the council.
I am appealing for the institution, my lords.
No, no, no. What these writ petitioners? Yeah, you have served of them.
No, I think I have filed the.
No, 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 you have not filed PF. notice. 1 week, failing which?
Yes, sir.
Same order.
36.
Obliged, sir.
It is time barred also, 102 days.
Lordship was kind enough to. delay.
All right.
Lordship, please.
36.
36.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
Has the order been complied with or not?
Your Lordship, they have filed an affidavit that they have complied with the order, but no record has been placed, as in what they've
We will
mentioned.
presume that what they're saying is correct. Unless you have any instructions from your client. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that an affidavit alleging compliance of the order has been filed by the respondent. She needs time to get it verified. List after 2 weeks.
No, sir, my request for 3 weeks time. Sir, Dr. Acharya would be appearing in this matter. My request for 3 weeks time.
After 3.
Agreed.
Item number 47.
You have filed reply today? Day after tomorrow? Reply has been filed today. Day after tomorrow.
For desperation, notices could not be filed within time on section 5.